Okay, so last time we didn't actually explore the prediction market here because he was having some challenges. I think they were running some updates as at then. But now it's fully back, and let me show you how you can play and earn some points. But before I continue, let me quickly remind you that if you want to clear higher points so that your phase 2 point could climb, then you need to trade on the pep test because this is where they are focusing on. Here, trade there, and if you're looking for a place to get free signals to trade, you can check my Telegram channel. We do give out BTC calls, and this is the last one that we gave, and here's the current price of Bitcoin at the moment. So if you have entered this trade right now, you'll be making profit while you're utilizing that. And then another one is Discord. It's very important to check out the Discord. There are other activities happening there that you can earn some points. And then make sure you follow this account, like I said earlier. So on the swap side too, I've not been utilizing it. Just make sure you come and claim your daily GM point. So let's go to the prediction market and let me show you quickly how you can utilize the place and earn yourself some points. So you can see currently I'm at 2.3k points. So let's go. Okay, so here is it. And currently I have this to claim. This is the last one I predicted. Let me quickly claim it. Okay. So I'm focusing on this side that I'm not spending anything, not even a fee. Let me refresh. All right, now you can see that I have 51,489, right? So to play this prediction market, I usually play the quick one, the price prediction, not the quick market. The quick market is the one that ends soon. You can see they give you the specific date, 27th, right? If Solana can go below 78 by 27th February, so you can choose to play this one. Okay, I think I've showed you guys how to play before. Let me just play here, and I want to say yes, and I want to stake 1,000. I'm going to get 11,000 if Solana goes below 78. So, and my price impact is just 0.05. Price after is 9.8%, right? They're going to take, you will receive 10 point. Yes, this is it. So you've done the calculation for you. So you know this is the price after. That is the price we'll be taking. And the price impact. My speed is always at 1. You can always keep it at 1. Then you confirm. Then click on buy yes. And then click confirm. Yeah. So I've entered this now. So wait. So then let's go to the one I usually play. I usually go to price prediction. This is the one I love playing because it's just quick, right? So currently, yeah, this is the, I think one of these was the one I claimed. That is also. So you can see here, see Bitcoin in 15 minutes up or down. See it, 10:45 UTS. So I'm going to click here, and I usually go for up. So I'm going to put in, let me see, 2k. Now look closely, you can see price impact at 8. That's because I just start up immediately. If it was immediately to a set and then I came, you're going to see price impact at 100 or 200 or 80 or 70, and you're going to see payout to be like 10,000 or 4,000 or 10, 20,000, depending. The last one I claimed was I use 4,000, 2,000 to earn 44,000. That's what blew up this one. So I click here. You can see price impact has increased. Confirm. You can see the price impact to 10 now. So it's confirming. So you just give it some time, then you click on buy up. And you click on confirm. And it buys for me. So we're just going to wait for the time. While we wait, let's go and claim my daily faucet today. Remember, this is where I click. This faucet is free. I use it to play the prediction market. And then confirm. For dispute seek and for the native token, this is it. So I've claimed this one. So I'm coming here and then I'll claim. This is a native token, but it's just for dispute issues. Like if you have any dispute, you can use it to file and then get it back. So another thing you need to always check is you can see this price here, and you can see your balance here. It's the total point I've gotten. My wallet is connected, so I've taught you guys how to connect wallet previously. So you click on this place. You can see 15 minutes, 2k, 17% currently. You can still end it. Like if I don't want to continue, I can still go and claim this available one right here. I click on all positions. I want to see the ones I've played before that I have not claimed. So you can see this is the current one that is running. This is the last one that I lost. Okay, I used 1K. This one 4K. But actually, what I staked here is, 900 and then 2K. This was what I was supposed to make, but I lost it. I still have the chance to go and end the game, like to sell before the time runs out. So you can use here to check current position. All right, you can see my positions right here. Then trade history, you can see my trade history, what I've been playing. You can see it here. Yeah, this is the last one that I claimed, the 44,000 that I claimed. Then claimable. Here are the ones I've not claimed. I forgot to claim them previously. So I can just click on claim all. And then click on confirm. Let me just wait for the network to come. All right, then confirm again. Sure. This should be a network issue. Okay, so after that, we're not going to click here again. So go back here. These are the ones that I've claimed. No, well, I'll just cancel. These are the ones I've claimed before. This is a lagging issues. You can see them here. And my point, you can see total point. Global rank, this is my rank at 4,744. Total end, cap reached. So you can always come here to come and check everything. So it's very easy. So anytime you want to play, just come here. If you want to play the quick, no problem. But I usually come here. This is the current one that we are waiting on, right? So if you click here, just let's give you some time and see. No need to wait. You can always come once you see it here. Like you can see if you win, you're going to see it. It shows you that okay, the market ended at up. But let's say I want to sell right now. I already have 425, right? I can click on sell and I click maximum. These amounts I'm going to sell out if I sell now, right? This amount I'm going to sell out if I sell now. So how much did I put before? 2K, and then I'll earn extra 400. By the way, that claim actually worked because I'm seeing extra 60 something. Oh, no, this was the first set that I claimed, so it hasn't worked. So let's say I'm going to claim this now. Just click on sell up. So what they are actually building is this prediction market, and then this testnet is just a way of allowing you to understand the platform before the official launch. So that is the essence of this. So if I want to buy it again, I can click on buy and then I can continue. So you can see, let me refresh. Let's see my point if it's going to increase. I'm now 64. So this is particularly what you should be doing every day to earn more points before the official launch. By the way, they made an announcement that the official launch is going to be May. All right, it's March rather. It's March. So let's check it out on X. A lot of messages have been popping up on X. Let's check them out. Zetarium. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's on the roadmap. They didn't announce it here, but it's on roadmap anyways. But it's currently on CoinGecko. The token itself is already on CoinGecko preview. So it's going to be launching. So if you truly want to make money from it, if the officially launches and reward people, well, people are going to make money. So be active on it. Even though I am not giving 70% assurance, but I'm right now saying at least 30% thereabouts or 40% chances. All right. So they're focusing on these. There are three products. Here is it: the swap, the PEP DEX, and the prediction market. So good luck. See you again in my next video.